So guys, we're opening up one of the systems from Harrop. We're actually going to be doing an install here, and I'm pretty excited for this. It's quite interesting for us. You know, there are other kits that we've supported, and there's a lot of kits that we sell. We sell turbos, we sell superchargers. So this particular customer really wanted to go with this Harrop kit, and so we got this here. We've sold a bunch of these, but we're going to be doing our first install. And let me just slice through these real quick here. One thing that's super cool about this is the packaging that it comes in. As Alex just pointed out, that literally you could actually put your old unit back into this one right here, into this crate that they supply. And this isn't some just generic crate. This actually has their logo built right in. So super cool. And like I said, this is specific for the FA24. So we'll get to this, we'll get back to this in a minute. It's pretty cool, nice detailed packing slip of everything. So we're gonna be going through, like I said, we're gonna be installing this. And this is gonna be super cool for us because we're gonna be actually able to compare this to our car. And maybe we can do some like 60 rolls or something for you guys on camera. And just, this just came off the piece. That's why that fell. Whoa, carbon fiber. Sick. And check out the quality in there. It's got this in there. Nice. Set that aside. All right, now that we got that out of the way, leave all this stuff in here. Let's get some of this off. Let's take a look at this beauty. So this does come in red and black, and this is specific for the FA24.
Holy shit.
So this is the other box I pulled out earlier. This is going to be the cooler itself. So super simplistic design. So you can actually see the blower itself right here. This is a wastegate. Release boost pressure. All right guys, so that's just the unboxing part. Follow us along. We're gonna be installing this on Luis's car. We've done a couple other mods to his car. He's been on the channel before. So he'll be in soon to do this. I believe we're doing this in a week from today's time. We'll have all the tunes set up, and I think he's getting injectors and flex fuel. So this will be actually a really cool comparison to our car, which has the Sprintex on it. This thing, I mean, just looks like stout, but they're two completely different animals, the way they do their design and the concept. So we'll be able to tell you our opinions. There's gonna be pros on both units, and there's gonna be cons on both units. So I'm excited. I'm ready to do like some 60 rolls on this versus that. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens, man. See you guys on the next video.